yeah, I'll be showing you. I just made a beat. I'm a piano beat and Afro. I'm a piano. Then put it that way. So I'll play it. And what I want to be teaching here is the log drum. How I did my pattern and um, made the sound thicker and sound kind of like Young John feel. Young John Ashake kind of log drum feel. Okay. I used two different and two same log drum, but the settings are different. So let me play it so you can listen to it. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so and like the video so more people can get to see view this video. So guys, here is it. So what I did, let me quickly jump into log drum. Here's the pattern. Okay, here's my log drum. So the easiest way to make your log drum is just playing the chord. That is your main chord. Play the chord as. Let me play so you can listen to it. So the second one is this, as easy as ABC. What I did is I make this unique. So here's the second one. So what I did next is on the second one is actually this is the same thing, okay, the same thing, but what I did is I added snare for this. What I did is I copied the same thing, so for me to see what I'm doing, let me delete this so it won't confuse you. So here is the snare.